Exceptional and historical home on a large corner lot. Fenced backyard with detached garage that has a full basement. The ornate exterior is what catches your eye as you drive by, and the interior will not disappoint you. Beautifully maintained woodwork, wood floors and plaster walls throughout. Bird's eye maple cabinets and doors, along with maple floors. It has its original era but with many updates to the wiring, heating and plumbing. Main floor has living room, formal dining room, kitchen, half bath and foyer entry. Second floor has 4 bedrooms and a full bath. The third floor has office, 2 bedrooms and a full bath. The basement has a rec room with pool table, workshop, laundry, furnace room, 1/4 bath and loads of storage. The backyard is fenced and the front yard is landscaped with privacy hedge. This stately home is looking for just the right